You probably don't know that. It's a godforsaken place. It is a Chinese wonder. If you're not careful, you'll be an unlucky tourist. Before it was known to everyone. There is no safety fence installed here. Even though he didn't have any safety measures. But for most of the tourists who come here to clock in. Yet it has quite a fatal attraction. It is rumored that everyone who walks through here will bring him luck and good fortune. It is Gaoqiling, located in Xinzhou, Hunan Province, China. Because of its unique Danxia landform. Viewed from above, it looks like a divine dragon general lying down. The shape of the mountain is like a spine, with the spine in the center and the ribs extending out to the sides, which is the result of being washed by the rain over a long period of time. The spine of the mountain is the watershed, and the rain constantly washes away from the two sides, resulting in the formation of a mountain that stretches out like the ribs. In the center are narrow rocky peaks. The narrowest place can only serve to pass both sides of the cliffs as if cut by the knife and axe. It looks like a divine dragon general lying down here. Takasaki Ridge is the original Danxia scenic spot. Is not installed guardrail. Has a wild beauty. But there is also a greater danger. Nowadays, Takasaki Ridge is equipped with guardrails. In the center is a narrow rocky peak on both sides of the cliff. If there is no guardrail, walking on it is really scared. The most important feature is that it is formed by the Danxia landform. Canyon landscape is mostly square mountain rounded flat top. The four walls of the cliffs are steep. The shape of 1,000 different forms. The scenery is splendid and charming. It is the most prominent representative of the Danxia landform in Xinzhou. The rocks in the whole area are sedimentary rocks. And the rocks can be divided into three main categories, namely magmatic rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks are rocks made of loose sediments cemented in layers, which are easily weathered and eroded. The smooth surface of the rock is polished by rain, wind, and sun together.